Across global industries, a new breed of ultra-rich reveals daily rituals that compound wealth while shaping luxury living. From a tech titan sipping coffee in a private mountain villa to a media magnate sealing major deals, wealth flows through routine. They leverage calculated risks, diversified portfolios, and intimate networks to build enduring legacies while preserving moments of off-grid solitude. A glimpse into mornings shows private chefs, bespoke fitness, and mentorship programs fueling the next generation. This channel invites viewers to study strategies that turn ideas into assets while staying curious about the extraordinary life.